Hello, everybody. This is the Shadow Trader. You are watching Shadow Analysis, and today we're going to look at ticker symbol VAPE on the Shadow Analysis mobile version because I'm using my phone today. And the reason why I'm using my phone is because the stock doesn't show up very well on TradingView. And so, in order to get the best experience possible, in order to analyze this stock correctly, we are going to go to my official trading app, Thinkorswim. So today, we're going to look and see if this is a great stock. Now, the guy that commented, I don't remember your name, I'm sorry. I'll have to go back and look. But the guy that commented on telling me to look up vape and that I should buy vape told me that it has a low flow. Guys, what is this? What is this? Is this even real? Is this real right now? This gotta be a joke. This is a fake stock. That's what this is, I'm telling you. Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes, right? We want analysis. We want to know what's going on here. Let's go straight to the weekly here. Extremely overbought. Massive gap to cover. Overbought on everything. Yeah, the money flow is still high, but so is everything else. Not excited about that. Let's go down to the yearly. Let's see what's going on. We're doing some old school analysis here, guys. I don't have any of these fancy indicators here, but I know enough about what I'm doing that I don't need those. All they do for me is confirm for me my decisions for me. You know, the analysis is done on the charts. So if you don't know what you're doing, you don't know what you're doing. If you do, you do. And I tend to know what I'm doing. On the yearly, we have the 9. Again, the 9 EMA is white. I don't know if I told you that already. But the 9 EMA is white. I don't think I went over EMAs yet, but I will. I always make my 9 EMA white. You can make it whatever color you want if you decide to use it. But that's around $25. I made it a little bit lower. About $25. If it breaks, you're looking at around 10 or 9. Which I think it would touch the 50 first. So you're looking at around possibly 10 and some change if it touches the 50-day. Now, let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour. Now, this one right here is more interesting. Same deal with the yearly, around the same price, around $25. You got the 50 EMA, or actually 50 SMA, on the 4-hour. That means something. Let's go down to the hourly. Oh, before we do that, let's check our indicators too. Wowzers, look at that. Okay. We want to check our indicators as well. Not oversold yet. Still more downside to go. It's not just going to randomly bust. Alright, guys? We don't just randomly bust for no reason. All guys can attest for that. Unless you're like a teenager or something sitting in the classroom, right? I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Forget I said that. Let's move on. I don't want to buy any. Not right now, anyway. Alright, guys. 1 hour, around $25. You got the 200-day, and it's almost oversold. Guys, this is looking like a floor here around $25. We're going to see, because on the 15-minute, and I know it's super short term, but I'm just saying, you've done broke below, you've done death crossed. So, but it is pretty oversold, and it looks like it could probably bounce back above that. The green line there is the VWAP, which so it only has to break above 37.50 for the buyers to really get back in and get sold on this and push it back up above 40. But let's see, 32.50. So yeah, You're probably looking at around 25 and some change, guys, on this one. This one looks really good, and for the low float, you could be getting a massive deal. Just think about this: for those of you that don't like buying stocks that are too expensive, because I'm one of them, right? The difference between this stock and every other stock that's around double digits is this one compared to where I can buy it at $25, and compared to the high, which is going to go a lot higher, and it did go a lot higher. It just didn't register because it hit it. I think it hit it after hours or pre-market or something. I think it went higher. I'm pretty sure it went higher. Now, think about this. For every $25, it's roughly about, you're obviously putting in more, but it's roughly about every $20 bill you put in, you're turning it into $172 at the high. And if it does end up breaking $25 and going down to the $10 target, which is very possible, because yeah, it might bounce here, but you've also seen, if it does bounce here because it's already low, you've also seen at the yearly that I've already shown you, that it's not even close to being oversold yet. And if it hits $25 and it's not oversold, I'm not sold. Okay? Unless I see some strong evidence that it's going to reverse, I need to see volume increases. I need to see a big green bar show buyers come in. I need to see stuff if it's not oversold. The MACD's crazy. Oh, I mean, guys, come on. Let's be real here. If you love the stock, that's great, but common sense, guys. Let's wait. Patience. The FOMO needs to stop. The FOMO is what gets you in trouble. And it might come down here at $10 because guess what? That's the gap. I'm gonna say $10, guys. We'll see where it's at when it gets. I'm gonna keep following this stock. I'm gonna be sure to follow this one. I went in on this. There could be a big move at the 90 EMA that might actually make a great day trade or a great swing trade. But ultimately, I think that it's just going to end there. I think it's going to keep falling and then go crazy at the 50, the red EMA down there. SMA, sorry. These are SMAs, not EMAs. I'll explain the difference when I do my mindset video. Probably. I might make it tomorrow. I don't know. Or this weekend. I might make one tomorrow and then make one this weekend. Might make 2 this weekend. I don't know yet, guys. We'll see. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end it here. Yeah, look at the yearly, $82. So it hit $82, which is wild. I don't know why it says, it doesn't make any sense that it would say 82 on the yearly, but have a lower number on the hourly. Usually, the hourly would have the higher number, and the yearly would have the lower number because it doesn't. That's weird. Anyways, I'm not going to question that. It's confusing the hell out of me. Let's move on from that. Before I end this video, let's recap. Okay. We've got a 9 EMA coming. The 9 EMA is also the 200-day on the hourly. It's also the 50-day on the 4-hour. Significant support. Something's going to happen there. It might be worth a buy just to swing or day trade. If it drops below that, which I think it ultimately may, and cover that gap down there at the 50 SMA at $10 and some change, I'm buying. I mean, I'm buying there. That's the gap closure. Even if it goes lower, let's say it goes a little bit lower and hits the 200 EMA at 9 and some change. I'm buying more. I'm buying more. Right now, to me, the stock is a hold, not a buy. Overall, it's a buy. As of right now, on the shorter term, it's a hold. I would not buy right now. Personally, you do you. I'm not telling you what to do. I can't. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would definitely hold. If you're holding it, hold. If you're not buying it, don't buy yet. Either wait and buy it at the $25 price mark, and I will get the prices. I can get the prices here, so like the previous month high, previous month low, stuff like that. Those magnetic prices, I can get those on here for you guys. So if it does day trade or does swing trade, you can day or swing trade to the next magnetic price, and I'll get you those price targets, guys. All right. I'll do an updated version of this video probably this weekend with price targets, guys. So, thank you very much for watching. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you're sitting through this. If you made it all the way, I really appreciate it. Much love. If you like this video and want to see more of it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified of all my videos, go ahead and ring that bell for me. And if you want to get updates, periodic updates on stock or whatever, you can add me on. I'm not on any other social media yet. Personally, I'm not a social media guy. But obviously, I want to get more social media for you guys if you want me to. I'm not going to if there's no demand for it. I think the best trading social media anyway is X. But you guys let me know. Anyway, Shadow Trader 17 on X. Comment down below if you want me to look up anything. You have any stocks I should buy. If you want to know about any, if you don't know much about the stock market, if you're just getting into it and you're curious about certain companies, drop them down below. If you're not familiar of the ticker symbols, just drop the companies down below. I'll do all the research for you, and I'll look it up and we'll go over it together. If there's something you want me to buy, if there's something you want to look at, drop it down below. If you have a different mindset on how where this stock's going to go, when it's going to reverse, let me down below. If you think I'm wrong, tell me. I want to know. Because I'm not perfect, and I want to get better at what I do. If you're really good at TA and you think I'm wrong, you think that it's not going to do what I said it's going to do, and you have a different outcome than I do, let me know down below. I'm always learning new stuff every day, and I want to continue to learn. I'm not here telling you that I know everything. I don't. I'm just sharing with you what I know and sharing with you my opinions, and you could take with that what you want. So, again, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.